Well, the main primary reasons we were interested in getting into no-till was to, one, become a little more efficient with our farming operation. Two is for the erosion factor. That was probably our primary reason. And three, we saw the major benefits in our soil health and profitability associated with all that. The main reason we settled on cross slot was due to the fact that it allowed us to go into all different types of crop residues, sustain our crop rotation, the ability to grow all the different crops without having to do any type of management of the residues or the soils. With other drills that we had tried, we always had to manipulate or manage our system so it would work for the drill that we had pulled. And with cross slot, we were able to just go directly into the existing crop without having to do any other type of management or tillage to the soil or residues. We have one trip after harvest with the sprayer for our fall crops. We're out spraying for volunteer crop as well as weeds. Then the drill's in next. And then for spring crops, we have two trips over. One trip in the fall for volunteer weeds with the sprayer, and then prior to drilling in the spring, we'll apply some Roundup or glyphosate again right prior to seeding. So two trips in the spring. Well, with cross slot, it has given us full ability to seed any type of crops we wanted to. In our rotation, we're seeding anything from a winter wheat, spring grains, which would include spring barley, spring wheat. We also have grass seed in our rotation for seed production, as well as legumes, whether they're lentils, garbanzo beans, or dry peas. But with cross slot, we were able to seed all of those different types of crops into our rotation with having to do nothing prior to the residue management, or to the residue. Maintenance on these drills is what we consider low for our conditions. We have extremely hilly conditions which require heavy side draft on the bearing components and the linkage components. Since we've been pulling these drills since 1998, we've had approximately 6 to 12 bearings that we've had to replace over the course of those 10 years. That's on a 3,000 acre farm. Maintenance within that consists of, when we do have to break down an opener, we are spending approximately an hour to maintain each opener on our drills. We have a total of 28 openers that we maintain. So we have 28 hours of maintenance per year, not per season, but per year of maintenance on our two drills.